I'm done with it. I'm fed up with it. I'm not willing to take these lies any longer and see innocent people die. I have the Institute for Statistical Medicine in Europe conducted a study and found out I have a cancer cure rate of 92.3%. I have seen 35,000 cancer patients, some with other so-called incurable diseases, but an average of 35,000 patients, and 2.2 million seminar attendees and 7 million readers just for my very first book, which I wrote when I was 14 years old, which is still in print today in the 49th printing. One of 11 best-selling books. So now they come up with brand new things that I wrote 40 years ago when I was 14 years old. But they just uncovered it. So we all need to understand that if you read what Victorius wrote, he already wrote 25 years ago what they come out today and tell you it's brand new knowledge and they just have figured it out. No, he wrote it already 25 years ago and published it. So coming back to electromagnetic frequencies, Fred Van Loo is the main expert, and I have spoken, I get about 800 offers a day from people that ask me to promote their products. 800 a day, in average. So I don't care, and I don't even look at most of them. I look at the results. I'm a result-oriented person. Somebody says, I'm an expert in diabetes, and I say, how high is your cancer, how high is your cure rate for diabetes? If he says, oh, maybe 20%, I just don't even talk to that guy anymore. Get up and leave. He's wasting my time. So if you want to talk to an expert, you talk to Fred. You ask him about water, you ask him about filtration, and anybody that doesn't have a shower filter is bathing in potential cancer. Because the chlorine and fluoride that comes out of your shower head turns your shower into a chlor gas chamber. So that's the same gas that Adolf Hitler, the criminal, killed 6 million people with. So you come out of your shower and you think, wow, I'm so dizzy, it must have been too hot. No, it's not been too hot. You are half dead. So it is very simple that you have to cut off the unnecessary bombardment of cancerous elements like electromagnetic frequency, fluoride, and chlorine. You get Fred's whole house water system. You get his shower filters. Then you can even feed your animals or give your animals water to drink that doesn't kill them. What do you think why your cats and your dogs all of a sudden get human illnesses? It's from the chlorine and fluoride in the drinking water. And of course in the preservatives and aspartame and all these toxic elements. Every form of artificial sweetener, will kill you, not may. It will make you fat like a pig, and it will kill you. You will die much, much younger and earlier than you have to. So it all starts with looking at the facts. So what do I do that's messing up my life, my quality of life, my energy level, my level of happiness, my level of success? That's what it's all about. Because health means you have good friends, you have success in your life, you have great relationships, you do the job you like to do. Health means spiritually, emotionally, mentally, physically, as a unit. There's nothing as a little bit of health, or I'm a little bit sick. No, you are sick or you are healthy. It's like being a little bit pregnant. We all know that's a difficult task. So you cannot be a little bit healthy or a little bit sick. You're sick or you're healthy. And now here is a sentence that nearly killed me a couple of times in my office when I said it to my patients. You caused your illness, no matter what you have. Don't come up with the excuses and self-pity party and whining and complaining. Oh, I didn't cause it myself, it just came over me. No! See, whenever I gain 10 pounds, I never ever once in my life put the chocolate in my mouth by accident. It's your decision. Nothing happens on its own. Nothing happens by accident. It's your decision and it's your action that makes you sick or makes you healthy or keeps you healthy. Your decision, nobody else's. And here is what I can offer you. If you start with very simple